We're here today with Diesel Power Source and Ben Cook, one of our good customers here in the Rocky Mountains, pulling Parley's Canyon.
I have 7x10 injectors, race 2 honed. I have a Hamilton 178 208 cam and a Quadzilla adrenaline.
With all those fuel upgrades, how did that run with the stock turbo?
My EGTs would spiral out of control. They would jump anywhere between 14 up past well over 1600 degrees.
So now you've upgraded to our compound kit. Tell us about that with the fuel mods.
So the way your guys' compound's working out now, I'm lucky to hit 1200 degrees. Right
through it. Isn't this like 7% grade up here, do you know?
Yeah, I think it runs 6 or 7.
Something like that. The most I've ever spiked towing any sort of hill with your compounds on is 1207.
Wow. How's it for daily drivability with the compound without your toy hauler on the back?
It's better than driving with a single or stock turbo.
Nice.
My wife could drive this truck and live happy.
All right, wife approval factor. We like that. Always love that. Makes it easier to spend the money on our toys.